Hello students, now you are learning 5th unit soil. Now you are going to learn remaining part of that is black soil. Now here this soil is formed by rocks that are made of ancient lava. It is dark brown in color. Black soil is found in large part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. Black soil holds a large amount of moisture because of which it is suitable for cultivation. Besides cotton, other crops such as millets, sugarcane, wheat and oilseeds can also be grown in this soil. Here this about the black soil. The black soil is formed by rocks that are made of ancient lava, isn't it? For example, you can see here it is made of an ancient lava like this. Under the ground, the magma builds up there. Here, the under enormous pressure in the ground, then at once it will burst. Then it will just like this, then it will delude like these huge clouds of steam, volcanic ash and gases. After that you can see some lava bombs. Then there is volcanic cone is composed of layers ash and lava also you can see, and lava bombs, these are the lava bombs, and molten rocks flowing down the side is called lava. So like this it has a long process. Then and it looks a dark color, dark and brown in color, isn't it? So like this, that black soil is get the color. So for example, you can see here picture, this is black soil, isn't it? So this black soil is found in large part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. You can see in this map that you can see black soil, and so you can through this map you can easily understand that Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. So in these states we can see there is a black soil, isn't it? This black soil holds a large amount of moisture. Large amount of moisture means it moisture for long time. It could help the uh, crops grow crops, good crops, isn't it? Because of which it is suitable for cultivation. So this black soil is suitable for the cultivation. So the farmers, most of the farmers, they using that black soil and growing good crops. Besides like cotton, other crops such as millets, sugarcane, wheat and oilseeds can also be grown in this soil. So like this the black soil, it is very useful and suitable for cultivation. Also such uh, millets, sugarcane, wheat, oilseeds, these crops we can easily grow, isn't it? So this is about black soil. Next, red soil. Red soil is mostly found in the southern states of India such as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is also found in parts of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand and some of the northeastern states. Here about red soil, you can see here this is what red soil, isn't it? So red soil is mostly found in southern states of India like such as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In these states we can see the red soil. So but it is also found in parts of Madhya Pradesh also you can see, and Odisha, Jharkhand, some of the northeastern states also you can see the red soil. But here this soil contains compounds, ingredients of iron. It contains the compound of iron that give it the red color. So it looks how red color. It is not very fertile. So this soil is not that much very fertile. Crops like millets, pulses, tobacco and groundnuts can be grown only if sufficient quantity of fertilizers is added. So for this red soil, if we add to the sufficient quantity of fertilizers, then we can grow. It would help to grow the such crops like millets, pulses, tobacco, and groundnuts. Isn't it? So like this, you can red soil you can see. Red soil also you can see here about Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. So in these states you can see this is about red soil, isn't it? Next we learn about laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. It is found in areas where there is a heavy rainfall. It is poor in nutrients and granular in nature. This soil is used for growing coffee, coconut, tea, and rubber. It is also good for growing cashew nuts. Bricks made of dried or baked laterite soil are widely used as building materials. So, laterite soil, you can see here this is laterite soil, which is also given here. So, this is laterite soil. This laterite soil found in Maharashtra. See Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. It is found in areas where there is a heavy rainfall. If there is heavy rainfall, you can get that red soil. It is poor nutrients because where there is very heavy rainfall, that time that soil will lost its contents, its nutrients, isn't it? It is very after that soil become red soil. It is poor in nutrients. It contains poor. It is very poor. Contains that granular in nature. What will happen? That is after it is very harsh. It looks very harsh or rough, isn't it? It is not that much fertile soil you can get from this, isn't it? So this soil is used for growing coffee, coconut, tea and rubber. For this soil you can use, and also you can grow crops, such crops like coffee, coconut, tea and rubber. It is also good for growing cashew nuts, and also you can using cashew nuts in food, isn't it? So cashew nuts crops also you can grow, and bricks made of dried, also you can prepare the bricks, the dried or baked literal laterite soil. We are baking that this soil, laterite soil, and also we can use widely used as building materials. We can use this laterite soil for building constructions and also building as a materials, isn't it? So like this the laterite soil also is very important and very useful to that growing crops and to about the building constructions, isn't it? Next, mountain soil. This soil varies from place to place. It is found in the foothills of eastern ranges, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, as well as Jammu and Kashmir. In this map, you can see here that mountain soil. You can see here Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand, and Arunachal Pradesh, isn't it? So like this we get here, that is mountain soil. This mountain soil is rich in nitrogen and humus. Humus is a natural mountain soil, a natural fertilizer formed from dead leaves and plants, which helps plants that grow better. Crops such as tea, spices, and fruits are grown in it. Here, the mountain soil is rich in nitrogen, and humus means that is a dirt or soil. It is an organic compound of soil. That is humus. Humus is a natural fertilizer. It is a natural fertilizer. Can modify that, can improve that the soil formed from dead leaves and plants and some trees and plants growing very young, then after that shedding that all the leaves after, and they fall down on earth, then they lose dead leaves and plants after it convert as a fertilizer. It will help the soil and crops to grow good crops, which helps the plants fertilizer the good crops. So this fertilizer would help to grow better crops or good crops, such as tea, spices and fruits are grown in it. So in this mountain soil you can grow such crops could grow like spices, tea, spices and fruits are grown in the mountain soil, isn't it? So this is about mountain soil. You can see in this picture, see how is a it looks like in this mountain soil can grow such crops. So this is about mountain soil. Next, the desert soil. Desert soil is found in the desert regions of Rajasthan, Gujarat and the southern part of Haryana. This soil is sandy and porous, but with the help of irrigation, crops such as barley, maize, dates, pulses and cotton can be grown. Here about a desert soil, you can see that this is about desert area, so desert soil. So in this desert soil, in this region of Rajasthan, we can see that already we have learned in that second lesson, Indian desert. It comes in Rajasthan and Gujarat and the southern part of Haryana. This soil is sandy, so and porous. This soil is sandy and porous. Porous means it is a leaky, so whatever how much you are pouring the water in that soil, again it will leakage of that water, again it will flow the under way, under part, isn't it? So but with the help, but it could help irrigation for that crops, such as even then we can grow such crops like barley, maize, dates, pulses and cotton can be grown. So such crops also you can grow in desert soil. So because of it is this it is a soil is porous, sandy or porous, which leaks that water how much you are, but it is not, it couldn't held a long time, isn't it? Again, so it will help to of irrigation. So in this desert soil such crops can could help to grow crops, isn't it? So this is about desert soil. Remaining part I shall continue in next video. Thank you.